In this Instagram tutorial, we'll show you how to find and copy your Instagram profile link. Whether you're sharing a profile with a friend, promoting on other social media platforms, or, for any other reason, just follow my steps. Firstly, open your App Store or the Google Play Store, and make sure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button here, click on that button and wait for Instagram to update. Once you do that, open the Instagram app and go over to your profile. There are two ways that we can do this. We will click on this Share Profile option right here, and that's going to open a new page where we can see our profile QR code. Our friends can scan the code with their Instagram camera, and it will open our profile for them. If you need a link of your profile, just tap on the Copy Link option, and your Instagram URL will be copied. Now, when you enter the link in the web browser, or send it to a friend and they click on it, it will open your Instagram profile in the browser or in the application. But if you have an older version of the Instagram application and you don't have the option on your profile, then you'll want to tap on the three horizontal lines and find the QR code option from that menu, and that's going to open the same exact page. But that's essentially how you can easily copy your Instagram profile link. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.